We celebrate Halloween every year. And what about making this Halloween more creative? Hey creators, this is Deepak from Filmora Creator Academy, and today we will learn how you can make incredible Halloween video using Filmora. So stay tuned. Before we proceed, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell so that you won't miss any Filmora updates in future. So basically, we have done a video shoot with 7 takes where take by take the person is coming towards us. That's mean towards the camera. And in the final take, the person captures the whole camera with his horror face. And that's how we are going to make our horror film. So first of all, I will take the first take and I will put it on the video track. Then after some duration, I will just cut it. After that, just put another take and put it just above the first take. Then after some duration, just cut the second take as well. And this is how one by one we will put our takes on the video track. And we will cut some of them with shorter duration and some of them with a bit longer duration. Now we have made a good plot of our horror film on the video track. Awesome! We have done the 6 takes. Now it's time to put the final take where the person has covered whole the camera and it's looking so horror. So I will put it just at the last of the video like this. Now, according to my convenience, I think this horror take will look better in reverse speed. So what about making this one reverse? Just right click on that video and go to speed and duration. And there you can find reverse speed option. Just tick on it and click on OK. Super great! Now it's time to go to the effects panel to search for some horror glitches. So just go to the effects panel and search for glitch. Now you can find some different type of glitches. I am taking this one glitch and I recommend you to take this one on your horror film as well. So I will put this MPEG glitch at the top track and then I will cut this glitch and I will make some very short parts of this glitch. Then I will put them at the starting of every new take like this. This one glitch will work something like a transition. So now it's time to add another glitch. So I'm taking this glitch distortion and I will put it like this. And then just cut it at the end to make it align to the video. Okay, now it's time to be more creative. And you know what? Filmora has some hot Halloween effects for you. So let's check them out. So on the effects tab, you can find many trending and hot topics. So just go to the Halloween category and there you can find some great filters. I think this horror film filter will look good. So let me put this horror film filter on the video track. But I think the video is affected too much by this filter. So let's double click on the filter and to decrease its intensity, I will decrease the alpha of this filter. This much is good. So let's click on OK and I will cut this filter into 2 parts. I will place the first one part somewhat here and the second one at the last somewhat here. Yes, that's great. The Halloween filters and effects are so good. So what about placing another filter above all the layers to give a same kind of tone to the whole video? So let's put this one filter at the top and I will increase its duration from the starting up to the end. Now, our horror video is finally done. Let's see how it's looking. OMG! This Halloween video is really horror and literally this will make my Halloween more interesting. So, now you have the inspiration to make your own Halloween video. So what are you waiting for? Just take the shots and edit it with Filmora and let us know by commenting on this video which Halloween effect you are liking the most. See you in the next one video of Filmora Creator Academy. Happy Halloween and goodbye. If you like to recreate this video, you can navigate to Filmora Creator Academy in Filmora Video Editor and click Import Template at the bottom of the video to get the project files and replace the default media with your clips. If you would like to learn more about video editing, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell to stay updated when we upload a new video on this channel. Do check out our other tutorials on this channel and comment below to let us know what you want to learn next. Till then, stay creative with Filmora.